Hi everyone, welcome back to Ihearthealth. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that many expecting mothers might find useful, the benefits of fennel seeds during pregnancy. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and advice. Let's get into it. Pregnancy is a beautiful journey filled with joy and anticipation, but it also comes with its own set of challenges and discomforts. From morning sickness to digestive issues, expecting mothers often look for natural remedies to ease their symptoms. One such remedy is fennel seeds. Known for their aromatic flavor and medicinal properties, fennel seeds have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Let's explore how these tiny seeds can be beneficial during pregnancy. First, let's talk about what fennel seeds are. Fennel seeds come from the fennel plant, scientifically known as Feniculum vulgare. These seeds are rich in essential nutrients like fiber, vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium. They also contain powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Now let's dive into the specific benefits of fennel seeds during pregnancy. Benefit 1. Eases digestive issues. One of the most common issues during pregnancy is digestive discomfort. Many pregnant women experience bloating, gas, and indigestion. Fennel seeds can help with these issues due to their carminative properties, which means they help to expel gas from the digestive tract. Chewing on a teaspoon of fennel seeds after meals can promote better digestion and reduce bloating. Benefit 2. Relieves morning sickness. Morning sickness, which includes nausea and vomiting, is another common symptom during pregnancy, especially in the first trimester. Fennel seeds have been known to alleviate these symptoms. Their natural aroma and flavor can help soothe the stomach and reduce nausea. You can make a simple fennel tea by boiling a teaspoon of fennel seeds in water, straining it, and sipping it slowly. Benefit 3. Supports respiratory health. Fennel seeds are also beneficial for respiratory health. They have expectorant properties, which means they can help clear mucus from the respiratory tract. This can be particularly helpful for pregnant women dealing with colds or respiratory infections. Drinking fennel tea or simply chewing the seeds can provide relief. Benefit 4. Boosts immunity. During pregnancy, maintaining a strong immune system is crucial. Fennel seeds are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and other phytochemicals that help boost the immune system. Regular consumption of fennel seeds can help protect against common infections and illnesses. Benefit 5. Enhances bone health. Calcium is essential for both the mother and the developing baby, especially for the baby's bone development. Fennel seeds contain a good amount of calcium, which can contribute to the daily calcium intake required during pregnancy. Including fennel seeds in your diet can help ensure that you and your baby get the necessary nutrients for healthy bone development. Benefit 6. Promotes healthy skin. Pregnancy can bring about various skin changes due to hormonal fluctuations. Fennel seeds are known for their skin benefits due to their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Consuming fennel seeds can help maintain healthy skin by reducing inflammation and promoting a natural glow. Benefit 7. Regulates blood pressure. High blood pressure can be a concern during pregnancy. Fennel seeds are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure levels. Including fennel seeds in your diet can contribute to maintaining a healthy blood pressure during pregnancy. Benefit 8. Aids in hydration. Staying hydrated is vital during pregnancy. Fennel seeds can be added to water to make a refreshing and hydrating drink. Fennel water not only helps with hydration, but also provides the added benefits of fennel's nutrients and digestive properties. Benefit 9. Alleviates constipation. Constipation is a common issue during pregnancy due to hormonal changes and the pressure of the growing uterus on the intestines. Fennel seeds are high in dietary fiber, which can help promote regular bowel movements and alleviate constipation. Including fennel seeds in your daily diet can help keep your digestive system functioning smoothly. Now, let's look at a few simple ways to incorporate fennel seeds into your diet. Recipe 1. Fennel tea. To make fennel tea, simply boil 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds in 2 cups of water for about 10 minutes. Strain the mixture and drink it warm. You can add a bit of honey or lemon for extra flavor. Recipe 2. Fennel seed infused water. For fennel seed infused water, add a teaspoon of fennel seeds to a liter of water and let it sit overnight. Drink this water throughout the day for a refreshing and hydrating beverage. Recipe 3. Chew fennel seeds. You can also chew a teaspoon of fennel seeds after meals as a natural digestive aid and breath freshener. As beneficial as fennel seeds are, it's important to consume them in moderation. While they offer numerous health benefits, excessive consumption can lead to unwanted side effects. Pregnant women should always consult their healthcare provider before adding any new food or supplement to their diet. Let's address some common questions about fennel seeds during pregnancy. How much fennel seed is safe to consume during pregnancy? It's generally safe to consume fennel seeds in moderate amounts, such as a teaspoon or 2 per day. However, it's best to consult with your healthcare provider to determine the appropriate amount for your specific needs. Can fennel seeds induce labor? There's limited scientific evidence to support the claim that fennel seeds can induce labor. However, they should be consumed in moderation, especially in the later stages of pregnancy. Always consult your healthcare provider if you have concerns about this. Are there any side effects of consuming fennel seeds during pregnancy? Fennel seeds are generally safe when consumed in moderation. However, excessive consumption can lead to side effects such as increased heart rate, allergic reactions, or photosensitivity. It's important to monitor your intake and consult your healthcare provider if you experience any adverse effects. Fennel seeds can be a wonderful addition to your diet during pregnancy, offering numerous health benefits from aiding digestion to boosting immunity. Ihowever, remember that moderation is key, and it's always best to consult your healthcare provider before making any dietary changes. Thank you for watching Ihearthealth. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and advice. Wishing you a healthy and happy pregnancy. See you next time.